Hi, today I'm going to show you how to check your purchasing power on Affirm. So, launch the Affirm app on your smartphone and log into your account. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection so the latest data loads properly. Now, once you're in, you'll be on the home on dashboard screen. This is often where they show you current available purchasing power right at the top or in a prominent section. So, look for a button or link that says something like see how much you can spend, your purchasing power, or a spending limit. Then tap it to access more details. A firm may perform a quick soft credit check or confirm your financial info to compute your eligible spending amount. Don't worry, this usually won't affect your credit score. After it processes, you will see your approved amount, and that's how much you can spend with a firm at that moment. Use it to plan your purchases and avoid surprises at checkout. And that's it. In just few taps, you can find out how much your purchasing power you have with Affirm. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.